There is a gentle truth within you, quiet, steady, ancient. It has been with you from the beginning, waiting patiently beneath the noise of your life. But in the rush of the world, in the constant motion and endless striving, that truth gets buried. Not lost, just forgotten. We spend so much of our lives searching outward for purpose, for meaning, for direction. We chase achievements, validation, relationships, hoping each one will finally make us feel complete. And yet, no matter how far we run, a small voice inside us whispers, "What you're looking for is already here." Pause for a moment. Take a breath. Feel your own presence. Notice how, even without doing anything, something within you is already whole, already aware, already enough. You don't create this truth. You remember it. From the moment we are old enough to understand words, we're taught to become, to improve, to earn our worth. And so we chase. We chase the idea of being enough, as if it exists somewhere outside of us. But there comes a moment, quiet and unmistakable, when you realize something profound. You are not running to find yourself. You are running because you forgot that you never needed to. This is the invitation life gives you. A soft, subtle invitation to return, not to a place, but to yourself. You do not need to become more. You do not need to fix what isn't broken. You simply need to stop long enough to feel what has always been true. You are already whole. Yes, the ego will argue with this. It will insist that slowing down means falling behind. That striving is the only way to matter. But the ego speaks through fear. The soul speaks through stillness. And when you finally listen to that stillness, you discover something beautiful. You are not the storm. You are the sky that holds it. You are not the thoughts that rush through your mind. You are the awareness watching it all unfold. Like a mountain that does not rush to grow, like the horizon that does not chase the sun, you, too, are complete in your being. Sit with yourself, without distraction or expectation. Feel that quiet presence beneath your thoughts. This presence has carried you through every difficulty you've faced. It has remained whole even when you felt broken. It has stayed true even when you doubted yourself. This presence is who you truly are. And the more you return to it, the more life begins to shift. Not because you force it to change, but because you stop resisting your own nature. Peace emerges from within. Love begins to flow naturally. Opportunities appear without struggle. Not because you chase them, but because you stop chasing what was never meant for you. This is the paradox of life. The more you try to control it, the heavier it feels. The more you allow it to unfold, the lighter you become. Breathe. Not to fill your lungs, but to remind yourself that you are here, alive, aware, whole. Let the stories fall away, the stories of who you should be, who you were told to be, who you fear you might never become. Those stories are not you. They are clouds passing across the sky of your awareness. Underneath them is a stillness that has never left you. A wholeness that cannot be taken. A truth that cannot be broken. You are not here to prove yourself. You are here to express yourself. You are not here to chase your worth. You are here to realize it has always been within you. Trust the quiet intelligence moving through your life, the same intelligence that turns seasons, that guides rivers, that breathes through every living thing. It moves through you, too. You are not separate from it. You are an expression of it. So let go, not of your dreams, but of the belief that you must struggle to reach them. Let go of the pressure, the comparisons, the endless striving. Allow yourself to rest in your own presence. Because the truth is simple, you are already enough. Already whole. Already worthy. Your life is not a race. It is a remembering, a gentle return to who you truly are. So be here. Be present. Be still. In this moment, everything you've ever searched for is already within you: peace, love, clarity, freedom. Waiting for you to notice. Waiting for you to remember. Waiting for you to come home to yourself. There is nothing you need to do. Just be. And in that being, you will rediscover the truth. You have always been enough. You have always been whole. Welcome home.